2018 Liverpool Pier Village. We've got airmax, we've got Crazy Mouse, we've got Super Bowl, and we have no limit. It's very windy. Some rides aren't operating, chair swings for instance, but we're going to have a good time. First ride for today in front of the iconic Liver buildings here in Liverpool is going to be airmax. 5 tokens, each token is £1. So £5 for this ride, and I am looking forward to this. Oh my god, that was airmax and it was amazing. I mean, I love my boosters. Never done a one-arm booster like that before, and honest to god, it's so intense. I have to say that beats like doing Mach 5 booster and all the other boosters like Vertigo, and that is just absolutely incredible. I definitely think it was worth that £5, and if you're coming down here, give it a go. It is awesome. You just do not know which way you're going to go. Wow, new top ride. So after an awesome ride on the airmax, I'm going to take this for a ride now on the Super Bowl. Not done one of these in years. Such fun rides. Gonna give it a go. good ride on the Super Bowl there. I have so missed those rides. It's definitely good here. Quite expensive, but it's definitely worth it if you want to treat yourself. Gonna take a ride now on No Limit. This looks absolutely awesome. Looks like you can get very disorientated on it as well. Looking forward to this one. Yeah, No Limit, awesome ride there, but I'll have to admit it did scare me a little bit. I thought I was going to get thrown into the Mersey. While I'm here anyway, I just want to say a big thank you to Princess Tabby Cat, who passed me on some information about the rides here and the prices and things. So yeah, big thank you to you. I'm just going to head over and do one more ride. I'm going to go on the Wild Mouse, or the Crazy Mouse, which is a Red Patron spinning coaster, one of the biggest of its kind in the UK. So yeah, I'm going to go and give that a go, and then I think I'm going to end the vlog. Yeah, so that was the Crazy Mouse Revolution spinning coaster. It's a good ride. It's a bit of a ride stoppage there if you notice. I do think the ride might have some problems. I have seen other POVs from the pizza person, and he done it twice and it broke down on him. So that's it for the rides today. We will be coming back. There are some other rides that I want to do which are closed today due to the wind, so keep an eye out for those. But I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you're in the area, definitely come down and have a look for yourself. Get on some of these rides, they're awesome rides, especially airmax going off behind me there. That was just amazing, definitely the highlight of the day. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.